Make this a little bigger. My angels.
Oh yeah. I think you can cut it and fit it in. Look like I'm gonna rob the bank.
Oh my god.
What's your pick?
And gas right now. Oops. Love that big cookie jar. So cute. Should I get this? I really want the blueberry one, but they don't have it. Do have this one. No blueberry. Right now, and I saw Kota was bigger. I would put it in my bag. What about it? For real. So I got tights and no, I remember I bought it. It was from the one in Spain.
Oh yeah, you did. Did you make?
So cute. Oh my god, I found it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Yeah. My first one. Let's go. Let's see if I can find it. This is our pretty version. So let me show you how you eat this correctly. So you peel it when you open this. You can open it right. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, this one is already melted. So maybe you don't have to. Okay, what you do here, there's a little thing right here. Open this. Oh, and then we naturally, we naturally go down like that. There's a little thing, and then voila! I love it. Look at how cute this is. Ooh, I love pudding. So I went to Pop Mart, and this is my first time going to Pop Mart, and I actually got something. Low-key, these are kind of expensive because I've been only buying Sony Angel. I haven't been buying anything from Pop Mart, but I really wanted to get their recent series, which is the VR Twinkle Twinkle. These are so cute, like the little stars. And I also got the warmth. This one is because the color, like look at the pastel colors. It's just so cute. They have the display with all of the character, and it looks so cool in person. So I'm like, oh, I should get this one too. And all of them are so cute. But I really want this one, which is the Taste from the Memory. This one's so cute. I don't know which one to open first, but I might open this one first and see. Oh, I'm scared. That's so cute. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Oh, it's the moon gelato. This one's really cute. Okay, I actually really like this one because I really like ice cream too. This one I want to taste from memory, but we'll see if we can get it. My first one. Oh, this is really cute. This one is the days off. Okay, this one's cute. Quick little outfit check. Use the background. This is just my quick little outfit check. Just a very basic sweater with jeans. Okay, it's kind of late, very dark fast because daylight saving. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head to my friend's. I'm gonna go ahead and head to my friend's house, and we're gonna do friendsgiving a little bit earlier since my friend is leaving for the holidays. But yeah, let's go. Oh, how cool! Is everyone here already? Oh wow! That's actually. What the heck?
She wanted to come. It's my
Zebra.
Oh my. Reggie?
Ready?
Okay. Reggie, let's introduce you to my vlog. I don't know who this is, Reggie. Oh wait, his name is Reggie. Now we're really gonna eat. But now we're gonna move that because
yes, I did, and I'm leaving now. And she goes, you're who told me? I go,
Yes.
Heidi got this for me from Chicago. So cute.
yeah, you read.
Personal, baby. It has one cheese. First bite.
Over here.
Oh no, this is so bitter.
I'm gonna start right at that.
It's okay, just live life, you know. But is this not lychee?
I believe you, Daddy.
Oh, I'll take this.
Can just leave it here.
I don't know.
Good enough. It was only $4.
Hey,
Really, Gabby? He play it more.
It's so sweet.
Bitter. That's a little better.
There's no pumpkin tiramisu.
If it's
Ooh.
not covered in whipped cream,
Oh god.
it'll hit me.
Outfit check. I'm gonna head to eating dinner with my friends because it's her birthday. Quick little outfit check. The necklace. It's from Teresa, and then this is just basic top from Lugan, and then my jeans, and then Adidas. Cool. Yep. Sorry about the background. It's a bit messy, but that's the outfit. Tech Love's birthday. Say hi. Happy birthday to Tech Love.
What? I love when you felt it.
Really? Oh, pasta?
Doesn't it like make the ambiance better?
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you so much.
Jeez Louise, freeze.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tekla. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, blow on this.
It's like the plate.
No, I.
Chocolate, that's not tiramisu.
Oh, that's.
Tiramisu.
Oh, yeah. People say the milk chocolate is really good.
This is so big.
It's really dark. The chocolate.
Remember what you said?
That's actually so cute.
It's cute.
I don't remember what I said.
You like candles. I love candles. Gifts off.
Oh! No, me too. Yeah.
Oh, no,
No, I thought you meant here.
Oh, wow. Where'd you get it?
That smells good.
I don't even know what color.
No, I
you
just like it
honestly.
because it looks like a little tea, like a porcelain kind of thing.
You can use it
I
after.
like the little flowers.
Yeah, I didn't wrap mine. Sorry. I didn't.
I add a note, but you can read it later.
Oh, but I do have.
They're, what do you call it? Yeah.
Because you really like nails and stuff, so I also made
Oh, it has
handmade.
cuticle oil too.
Yeah.
I've actually was wondering.
Oh.
It's a set.
And lip balm.
Yeah, and then I add a note. You can read it after.
Yep, is it here? Why read it after? I'll read it right now. Oh, that's so cute. She's a little bear. So cute. Happy birthday, Tekla! I know you've been through a lot this year, and I hope you take some time to take care of yourself, and I believe you will do better without a band. Just focus on you. XOXO Maggie. And self-care kit. What?
Yeah, like I wanted you to see.
Ew! The
Wait, let
vlog?
me put it on. Put the brightness up. Oh, this is middle school. Oh, I don't have pictures.
Yeah, we don't really have, like, you know when the phone goes,
You want to zoom in?
Oh my god.
That one's crazy.
Ew.
I provided that. Yeah, she did. Ew, what is that, Tekla? What the frick is this? She took it on my phone too.
Do I like that? Do I not look good?
I took it on my Snapchat too.
Do I not look good there?
I don't have much photos because COVID.
Ew!
That's all I have.
That's my worst season.
Next 2021. Chase Atlantic.
Oh, yeah. Ew, look how I look so different. Ew.
You look so young.
Yeah, you have such a like baby face.
I know.
I hate
Remember when we
it.
went hiking?
Like fat.
The baby shoes.
Oh, I forgot about that. Wait, what is that one?
This is on the Cars ride.
Oh, I didn't go, I remember.
Yeah.
Because I can't.
It's just a second.
Why didn't you?
Because I don't like roller coasters.
Ew, I remember that.
I found that photo.
Wait, what is this one? I don't remember that.
This one is
Yeah.
at the weekend concert.
Oh.
I cropped myself out.
Why?
I don't know.
I do look different though.
Yeah, each year
Oh god.
You got really skinny at one point.
Oh my gosh.
I think this is when you were skinny. You were very skinny.
Well, for a period of time. Hey. I don't remember
That's
that.
when we were drinking at Zebras.
Yeah.
It didn't work out. Yeah, you guys fought.
Oh god.
About what?
I don't remember. We just argued.
Oh, I didn't even have that
The
group
lobster.
picture of us for the Halloween last year.
Oh, this one?
That's
We
like
look
the
so
weird.
This is the why you're the only one like out.
2024.
Ew.
Early this year.
I don't remember that.
Which one?
This one.
This one? It was before going to club.
Oh my god, not the Snapchat of your date.
You want? Oh yeah. I thought it was so monumental.
And I wasted a good shirt on that too. I like that shirt. The club.
Yeah, when you cried on my birthday.
Oh my god, so much crying.
When we took the video of you at the TikTok. When I was meeting you. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Time. I just have one for graduation. Time.
I can't believe I ever bought that shirt, that green shirt.
You edited this yourself, by the way.
It's so bad. It's actually terrible.
When Sophia pushed you in.
Love that.
You didn't include the one. Was it freshman and sophomore year? She jumped in the foot.
Oh,
Someone's
I don't have the video. Oh, you do.
Why am I not surprised?
We're getting old.
Ew! I never even saw those shit. Why do I look like that?
Go back when my digital camera was still working.
I took that picture of you.
How